When you think of bottomless fries, does anything particular come to mind? Red Robin, originally known as Sam's Tavern, began its journey in Seattle during the 1940s and gained widespread popularity starting in the 1970s. Currently, there are nearly 500 Red Robin locations across the country, but changes might be on the horizon for that number. Before delving into the potential closures of Red Robin, let's take a moment to compare how Red Robin measures up against other well-known burger chains such as McDonald's, In-N-Out, and Five Guys. A food columnist from the Los Angeles Times compiled a fast food burger power rankings list, and notably, Red Robin did not make the cut. Meanwhile, In-N-Out secured the 5th spot out of 23, McDonald's came in at 4th, and Five Guys was ranked 8th. Across the United States, there are approximately 500 Red Robin locations. California leads with 57 restaurants, accounting for around 12% of the total. Red Robin operates in 39 states, so it's possible that one of the upcoming closures may affect your area. Earlier this year, Red Robin revealed a plan that could lead to the closure of up to 70 of its restaurants. The decision follows the closure of one location in the 4th quarter of the fiscal year, as the company faced growing losses and declining revenue. Red Robin attributes a significant part of its financial challenges to underperforming restaurants. These locations are at the highest risk of closure. In regions where there are several Red Robin outlets, we might see some consolidation of these locations. However, the specifics remain uncertain until final decisions are made regarding which stores might close and when that might happen. Red Robin has not released a specific list of stores slated for closure. However, they intend to shut down 10 to 15 locations this year, with additional closures planned over the next 5 years as leases on certain buildings come to an end. This could indicate financial challenges for the chain. During the pandemic, numerous restaurants faced significant debt due to decreased traffic and sales. Unfortunately, some couldn't recover, resulting in the closure of many smaller chains and businesses. Now, let's examine the factors contributing to Red Robin's financial challenges. In addition to the potential debt resulting from the pandemic, there are other factors influencing the current situation. One significant factor is the rising labor costs. For instance, in California, the minimum wage increased from $12 an hour in 2020 to $16.50 an hour by January 1, 2025. Simultaneously, inflation has climbed from 1.2% in 2020 to 2.4% in 2025, further impacting the economic landscape. Yale University's Budget Lab reports that food prices are expected to increase by 2.8% overall as a result of recent tariffs, with fresh produce seeing a 4% rise. This means that Red Robin faces higher costs not only for ingredients, but also in terms of increased wages for employees. These challenges come on top of shifts in consumer spending habits. In recent times, there's been a noticeable shift in how people are allocating their money, with many cutting back on non-essential purchases. A survey conducted by Bankrate involving 2,500 adults revealed that a significant majority, 54%, reported they plan to reduce spending on luxuries such as travel, dining out, live concerts, and various forms of entertainment. Since 2024, several well-known restaurants, including Red Lobster, TGI Fridays, and Hooters, have filed for bankruptcy. If Red Robin closes 70 stores, it would represent around 15% of their locations across the country, which is a substantial portion. Whether closing these underperforming stores will lead to a turnaround remains to be seen. This year, approximately 10 to 15 Red Robin locations are expected to close. This number could rise to about 70 over the next 5 years. Consider how you might feel if a Red Robin near you were to close, and reflect on your experiences with Red Robin in comparison to other burger establishments. If you enjoyed this, subscribe to The Coconut Mama on YouTube at youtube.com/@thecoconutmama for more.